everyone. Now I will be discussing what is Raspberry Pi and its different components. Then I will tell you how you can connect Raspberry Pi with the LCD monitor. So now, what is Raspberry Pi? I think you can see the Raspberry Pi board, right? What is Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is a credit card size low cost computer which can be connected with LCD monitor. Okay, so now I'll tell you. I think you can see the board. This is the ARM processor. This is the board Raspberry Pi of version 3B plus. This is the Raspberry Pi, right? Version 3B plus. And this is the Raspberry Pi version 2. This is the Raspberry Pi version 2. So I'll tell you the difference between the Pi 2 and Pi 3B plus later, right? So now I'll come to the Raspberry Pi 3B plus. It has an ARM processor, ARM Cortex processor of 1.4 gigahertz frequency. It is a 64-bit processor. Okay, it has 1 GB SRAM, that is static dynamic RAM. It has 40 pins. Among 40 pins, 28 are GPIO pins. Once again I repeat, it has 40 pins. Among 40 pins, 28 pins are GPIO. GPIO means general purpose input output pins. It has 4 USB port. It has 4 USB port 1, 2, 3, 4, where you can connect your mouse, your keyboard and any other device, IO device let us say. It has one Ethernet port. It has one Ethernet port where you can connect Ethernet cable to connect with the internet. I'll repeat once more. It has one Ethernet port by which you can connect with the internet. Okay. So now it has one HDMI port where you can connect the LCD monitor. One HDMI port where you can connect the LCD monitor. This is the audio out. That means here you can connect speaker or headphone, whatever you can use, right? Okay. This is the, once again I repeat, this is the audio out. That means you can connect headphone or speaker over here. This is the slot used for Pi camera. You can connect the Pi camera. Pi camera means we can connect a camera with this board, right? In this slot, the Pi has a specific camera which can be connected with this board. This is your power socket. You can connect the power. This is the LCD slot where you can connect a small LCD, right? This is the LCD, as you know. So this is the back portion of the board, as you know, is basically a PCB. That means PCB means printed circuit board. This is all about the what is Raspberry Pi and the different components of Raspberry Pi. I will show you how we can connect Raspberry Pi with the LCD monitor. Raspberry Pi, I have given a power supply to it from a laptop. I have also connected two sensors. One is ultrasound sensor, another is the DHT level sensor. This is the LCD monitor. This is keyboard and this is mouse. Okay. So now I will connect Raspberry Pi with the LCD monitor, and also I connect mouse and the keyboard to the Raspberry Pi. Yeah. So now this is the power cord of LCD monitor. This is the VGA cable, right, socket, and this is the VGA to HDMI. Okay, Raspberry Pi has HDMI port. So now I will connect this HDMI to this socket, right? Okay, now I'll give the power to it. Now you can see that this is the Raspberry Waves interface. Okay, now I'll connect keyboard to the USB port. Now you can type anything, and then I'll connect mouse to this USB port of Raspberry Pi. Just see this one. You can move the mouse. Or so now I'll tell you. This is the terminal of Raspberry Pi Waves. Raspberry Pi terminal or Waves terminal, whatever you can say. Now I'm executing a command like ls for listing. You can see the files.